When you sketch a possible idea, what are you doing? You are trying to visually represent an idea you just thought of. As I say to my students who are reticent at ideation and want to rush to the Mac and Adobe to do design with their first idea. First, show me. Let's summarise. A creative gets an idea to answer the brief. That idea is floating around the synapses of their brain. The idea is genius, but how to visualise it? The creative makes a mark, a line, a shape, a colour. This begins to crudely resemble the qualities in the idea. This is sketched quickly on paper and is shown to another person. Remember, the creative has total belief their idea, now on paper, is genius. Surely everyone will see from a few lines their genius.